Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for subscription billing. Managing recurring payments is a breeze with Infinitepay.io. Whether you're running a subscription service or managing personal subscriptions, let's get started. To begin with, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. After that, navigate to the subscription billing or recurring payment section. This is where you can set up and manage subscription billing. After that, select on Create New Subscription or similar option to start setting up a new subscription plan. And then enter the details of the subscription including the amount, billing frequency like monthly, annually, weekly, and after that any trial periods if applicable. Add the customer's payment information. You can usually select your various payment methods such as credit cards or bank accounts that are supported by Infinitepay.io. Review and confirm the subscription details to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks good, activate the subscription. Monitor and manage your subscriptions from the dashboard. You can view upcoming payments, manage active subscriptions, and make changes if needed. Subscribers will be billed automatically according to the schedule you have set, and you can access reports to track subscription, income, and manage billing activities. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for subscription billing. This feature streamlines recurring payments and helps you managing subscriptions efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you again